everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be unboxing 90 poppets to sell locally, and I just want to apologize in advance if this video is shaky at all. I do not have a tripod for my GoPro yet, and my little suction cup thing is missing right now, and I really just didn't want to delay this video at all. I have people waiting on these items, so we are just gonna go ahead and get started. I am holding the GoPro. I'm doing this a little bit untraditionally because I do have to hold the GoPro, so I'm just gonna kind of point it at the box and do it all one-handed. I did purchase this box somewhat locally, and my cost per item is around 62 cents. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's flip it around. So here are all of them. They are some in packages, some individually. So let's go ahead and get started. So right here on top, you see a couple of Among Us ones. These are medium sized. There's 4 of them in the bag. I have a purple, teal, yellow, and orange Among Us. Then there is 4 of these in the bag. They're kind of star-shaped. When you flip them over, they do have the alphabet there. So we've got blue, purple, green, and orange. Also medium size. Here we have 2 larger ones. They're kind of a tie-dye type mixed painting. There's 2 of them here. It says they're 7.8 inches. Then we have some hexagon ones here. And there is also 4 of them. We have yellow, orange, green, and purple. And there is something else in here. So I'm not really sure what type of fidget toy this is. I've never seen one like it before, but it does look like it's got like a suction cup in here. Maybe you squeeze it together. I'm not really sure if you've seen one like this before. Maybe you can put down in the comments what exactly it does. I just pulled it out of the bag. We've got 2 of these, blue and white and pink, medium-sized circular poppets. We've got another 4-pack, miscellaneous shapes. We've got a heart with the alphabet on it. And then we have, looks like there's a purple circle and a green octagon, I think. I'm not sure if the other ones have the alphabet on it or not. I'm not going to open the package up. Then we have a large Santa Claus rainbow. This one's pretty cool. Let's see if it says how tall he is. It does not say how tall he is, but he's pretty big. It takes up like my whole leg there. We've got a blue, yellow, and a purple square. I don't know if they have the rainbow on it or the alphabet or anything like that. We've got a boxed one here. It looks like it is Among Us. So this is more of a boys. It looks like camouflage Among Us. We have, so I have a really odd colored poop one. So that's a medium-sized one. And then I have this one. It says protect the animals and then COVID-19. So I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like a germ or what that is. That one's interesting. A little bit larger size Mickey rainbow. What is this, a Roblox character, I think? An Among Us rainbow. Baby Yoda. So what I'm thinking on pricing on these is the small ones, which are the bigger pops you'll see in a little bit, I'm going to do $3. The medium-sized one, I'm going to do $5. And the bigger ones, I think I'm going to do $10. I don't have very many big ones. I don't know if the character ones, I'll do a little bit more, like the Mickey and the Baby Yoda. I'm not sure on that one yet. I have to just kind of go see what comps are, if they are pricier for the character ones online. I'm not really sure, but let's continue. We're like halfway there. So we have a package of 3. We've got teal, black, and yellow. I don't know if it has any alphabet on it. I don't think that it does. We have a couple more bigger ones. We just have a circle rainbow and a square rainbow. Just your basic circle rainbow. It does look like it has a cloth. I'm not really sure what the cloth is for. Not really sure. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 octagon. A purple octagon medium. A cute little squid or octopus. Yeah, that's an, I think it's an octopus. It's got eyeballs. It's red. It's super cute, and it's got little shapes. Little octopuses on the little bumps there. Regular blue square. We have one of the larger push-its. This one's a 3 dot. And then there are 4 of these. They have the alphabet on it, and they are octagons but have a star in it. I have green, purple, orange, blue. I did have a rainbow one, but I gave that to Stella. Right, so I pulled these out. We have another rainbow Among Us, a rainbow unicorn, rainbow heart, and rainbow popsicle. And it looks like this package is pretty similar. So we have a rainbow unicorn, rainbow star. That is the one I gave Stella. Flowers, and this is just a rainbow circle. And then another one of the 3 big pops. Got a rainbow, looks like a running Among Us. Orange square. These are just flowers in different colors. So we've got green, purple, orange, and yellow. And now some of these poppets are really kind of thick. I know Jacob's are kind of thin that he has from previous places. Like this one feels kind of thin. Purple square. But like the one I gave Stella was pretty thick. We have a 2-pack of the double big pops. And again, a 2-pack of the double ones, but this one has a black backer, and these have the keychain hooks on them. Here we have a rainbow circle, another 3-pack of the big ones, unicorn and a flower in there, another rainbow unicorn. So this looks like the same pack that we had before. It's got the popsicle, unicorn, Among Us, and a heart. 2 of the double pops. So we've got a blue, yellowy, white, and we've got a octagon and a circle. I am not going to take all of these out of the box, but they look like flowers. We've got orange, green. Hold on, that one's not a flower. Is this a bunny? I don't know if this is a bunny or not. Orange, green, yellow. Let's see what the yellow looks like. A bear? That looks like kind of like a gummy bear. Almost done. Another 2-pack. Another 2-pack. An orange square. Green circle. And this is my only large bubble poppet. Alright, so hopefully I can edit out the shakiness in the video. Again, these were really only purchased to sell locally in my group and on Facebook. I don't really feel like they'll do that good on eBay as far as profit goes. and shipping. So I'm just gonna sell them locally. My group's super excited for them already. So yeah, I'm just really excited to be able to give these to the local kids. Jacob loves them, Stella loves them. They're just fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a kind of quick unboxing, and I will see you guys next time. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.